Hello everyone! If you need a lot of images for your dataset, you are in the right place. We will see how to collect hundreds of Google images in seconds using Python and SerpApi. First, sign up for free at serpapi.com. After activating your account from your dashboard, you can copy your API key, then create a new .env file to store this key like this. For the main program, we will create an empty main.py file. Moving to the terminal or command prompt, we need to install two packages. First, python.env, and second, SerpApi API library itself. Back to our text editor, we import the OS module to read the env file, as well as load the package. And then we assign a new variable called API key to get our API key from the env file itself. Next, import the SerpApi library. Then create a new client from SerpApi instance using serpapi.client and then assign the API key as parameter. Now, let's use the search method with these parameters. Engine using Google Image, TBM with each value, I guess it stands for image search. Q for the keyword, feel free to change it. We can also specify the GL for geolocation. Let's just pick US. And finally, print the results. Let's run this file. As you can see, now we have Google image search data with a nice JSON structure. Since we only need the image results, let's print it in a nice format like this. By default, we are getting up to 100 images per search. We can perform a pagination with IJN parameter. IJN default value is 0 for the first page, and increase by 1 for each of the next page. So if you want to collect more than 100 results, you can add a loop in the search while increase the IJN value. For this example, let's just print the first results title from the image results. If there are no more results to return, you will see full empty message in your search information image results state response. Let's check the results for this. You will see each of the first search result from each page until it reached the end of the page. For now, I will leave the code just for the first page result. SerpApi allows you to perform a filter using the TBS parameter. For example, if you need to filter a large image, an image with Creative Commons license only, you can add the TBS parameter with the value is size L and separate the next filter with comma. In this case, we want to add the image license with common license value. You can find the same value when you are looking at the full URL at the browser. Instead of printing it in our console, let's store it in a CSV format, so we can easily use the data whenever it needed. I will open or create a new CSV file. First, make sure to import the CSV. Next, we create the writer instance and then write the first row, which includes the title for the relevant columns. Then we will replace these lines with a write row method to write in our CSV file. When we are done, we can just print this message. You can run the program and then open the folder. You can see the CSV file, which you can open with Microsoft Excel or Numbers in Mac. And now you have the data in a nice CSV format like this.